Yes, hello students. Next examples from exercise number 11.2. Last examples based on equation of lines. So if these examples are completed, then equation of line will be completed. Means examples related to line will be completed. Examples related to line ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬಂದಿದ್ವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ equation of a line in vector equation cartesian equation ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So last distance between two lines, that is skew lines and shortest distance between two lines, parallel lines is skew lines. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ examples ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ total line will be completed. Next we have to move to plane. So today's session I'll be explaining you the examples from exercise number 11.2. So here it is given the 13th example. Show that the lines x minus 5 divided by 7, y plus 2 divided by minus 5 equal to z by 1. And one more line is given, x by 1, y by 2, z by 3 are perpendicular to each other. This is again the same condition. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 should be equal to 0. If it is 0, then the lines are perpendicular. What is A1 value? 7. B1 value minus 5 and C1 value it is 1. What about A2 value? A2 value is 1, B2 value is 2 and C2 value is 3. So if I substitute 7 into 1 plus minus 5 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Okay, so this is equal to 7 minus 10 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so you get the answer as equal to 0. Therefore, the given two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, very simple one. Next, two examples I'll take. Both of finding the shortest distance. So this is find the shortest distance between the lines. R is equal to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda times of I minus j plus k, and R is equal to 2I minus j minus k plus mu times 2I plus j plus 2 times of k. So this you have to compare with the standard equation. Standard equation ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ? R is equal to A plus lambda times of B1 and R is equal to A2 plus lambda times of B2. So this is the standard equation, mu times of B2. So this is the standard equation of distance between two skew lines. ಎರಡು lines in the equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, A1 plus lambda times of B1, A2 plus mu times of B2. So ಇದು ಎರಡು equations ನ ನೀವು compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you can write A1 value, vector A1 value is what? I plus 2 times of j plus k. Then B1 value, it is I minus j plus k cap. Okay, next I write A2 value, vector A2 will be this one, 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap, minus k cap. And B2 value, this is B2 value, so this is equal to 2 times of I plus j cap plus 2 times of k cap. So all the values I have written, A1, A2, B1, B2. So next you have to apply this in the formula. Formula ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ? If you want the shortest distance between two lines, D is equal to, what is the formula for shortest distance? It is given by B1 cross B2, vector B1 cross B2 dot product with A2 minus A1 divided by modulus of B1 cross B2. So even if the value comes negative, you have to take positive only. So formula another, B1 cross B2 dot product with A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು B1 cross B2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, A2 minus A1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first I'll go with B1 cross B2. So B1 is here, B2 is here. I have to take the cross product of that. B1 cross product with B2. So cross product ಅಂದ್ರೆ already ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. You have to use the determinant formula. I, J, K. I write coefficients of this. B1 1 minus 1 plus 1. Coefficients of B2 2 1 2. Okay, if I solve this, how much I get? I into bracket minus 2 minus 1 minus j into bracket. So leave the j row and j column, you get 2 minus 2. 1 into 2 is 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2 plus k cap into bracket. So this is k, 1 into 1 1 minus into minus becomes plus 2 ones are 2. Solving the determinant value. So you get here minus 1 minus 2 is how much? Minus 3 times of I. This is 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times of k cap. So you get the answer minus 3I plus 3 times of k. So this is what B1 cross B2. So ಈಗ B1 cross B2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, value ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? So you have solved vector B1 cross product with vector B2 and the value you have got it as minus 3 times of I cap plus 3 times of k cap. Okay, so this is what B1 cross product with. So either the magnitude ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ B1 cross product with B2. So this will be equal to root of 3 square plus 3 square. This is equal to root of 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9, which is root 18. Root 18 you can write it as 9 into 2, root of 9 into 2, this becomes 3 root 2. So B1 cross B2 you get the value as 3 root 2. Next I want A2 minus A1. So this is equal to, so from the equation what is A2 value? If you see, A2 is what? 2I minus j minus k minus A1 value is I plus 2j plus k. So A2 value is 2I minus j minus k minus A1 value is I plus 2j plus k. I plus 2 times of j plus k cap. Okay, so 2I minus I is I minus j minus 2j, plus into minus is minus, minus 2j will be minus 3 times of j minus k plus into minus k is minus 2 times of k. Minus k is minus 2k. So ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. D is equal to B1 cross B2 minus 3I plus 3 times of k dot product with A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ? I minus 3 times of j minus 2 times of k. Okay, this is A2 minus A1 divided by modulus of this is how much? 3 root 2. Okay, so now you know I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1 and k dot k is 1. So I with I take, I dot I is 1, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Next j dot j ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ j ದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 0 ಆಗ್ತದ. Next k dot k 3 into 2 is how much? Minus 6 divided by 3 root 2. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Modulus of minus 9 is plus 9. So this is equal to 9 divided by 3 root 2. You can write it as 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 divided by root 2 units. So this is what? This is the shortest distance between the two skew lines. So first shortest distance between the two skew lines kottaga in ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. So first thing what you do is you write it in the standard form a1 a2 b1 b2 ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ a1 a2 b1 b2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು b1 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ b2 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ರೂಟ್. Then a2 minus a1. All these three terms you have to find it out first. Cross product andra you have to take the determinant value. Determinant value haki solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3i minus 3i plus 3k ಬಂತು. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ root of I square plus j square, that is what? Modulus. It is given by root of x square plus y square plus z square. So 3 square plus 3 square ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y the coefficient ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. So you get it as 3 root 2 units. Okay, next you do a2 minus a1, even that product you will get. Then you have to take and substitute in the formula to get the value of the distance. Okay, so these are the steps what you have to follow. So based on this 14th example, try to solve the 16th one, because 16th one example is similar. 16th and 17th both examples are similar based on 14th example only. ಎರಡು 16th and 17th example 14th example basis ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಾವ. Try to solve it. Okay, next last one more example I'll solve it. Find the shortest distance between the lines x plus 1 divided by 7, y plus 1 divided by minus 6, z plus 1 divided by 1, and x minus 3 divided by 1, y minus 5 divided by minus 2, z minus 7 divided by 1. So previous ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಏನಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ. ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, here a2 b2 c2, whole divided by root of these two b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus next e row column ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. So what is remaining? c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus last if you leave this it will be a1 b2 minus a2 b1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. So this is the formula. It whole modulus bartada because all you have to take it positive one. This is the formula to calculate the shortest distance when it is given in Cartesian form. Cartesian form kottaga ನೀವು ಈ formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This one you will know. a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 divided by root of first ಈ row ಈ column ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus ಈ row ಈ column ಬಿಡ್ರಿ a1 c2 minus a2 c1 whole square plus this and this you leave a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. Clear? So this is the formula to solve this equation. So first to solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ terms ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So I write down all the terms from this. So what is x1, what is x2, then what is y1, what is y2. Okay, then we shall solve the example. So from the given equation ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗದ x minus x1 divided by a1, y minus y1 divided by b1 ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗದ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು x1 y1 ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So first x1 value will be equal to minus 1. Okay, because standard formula na minus 1 adil. minus of minus will be what? Plus 1. So it should be equal to minus 1. Next, y1 value from this it will be equal to again minus 1. z1 value will be equal to again minus 1. a1 value is 7, b1 value is minus 6, c1 value is plus 1. Okay, next I write x2 from this equation. x2 value is 3, y2 value is 5 and z2 value is 7. Okay, next a2 from this it is 1, b2 value minus 2 and c2 value is 1. Okay, so these are all the terms. Ella terms nu first barkodri. Now we have to solve the equation. So using which formula? This formula. So first numerator part solve madkolona. First numerator part andra you have to solve this part. So modulus of x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus 1, y2 minus 5 minus of minus 1, z2 minus z1, 7 minus of minus 1. Then a1 7, b1 minus 6, c1 plus 1. a2 value 1, b2 value minus 2, c2 value plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 1 8. So this is 7 minus 6 plus 1, 1 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so either the determinant value solve madbek now 4 into bracket, or I write it down here. So either determinant type nimda determinant value solve ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ 4 as it is this one minus 6 minus of 2 ones are 2 minus 2 minus 6 into bracket. This row and this column you will write 7 into 1 is 7 minus 1. Next plus 8 into bracket. So 8th row and column you will do minus 14 plus 6. Okay, so 4 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 minus 6 into bracket 7 minus 1 is 6 plus 8 into bracket 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay, so this is equal to minus 16 minus 6 6 are 36 minus 64. This is equal to 64 plus 36 is 100. 100 plus 16 is 116 minus 116. Okay, so first in madde using formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ ಅದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತು ಆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ minus 116. Okay, next I have to solve the denominator part. So this is denominator b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So what is b1 value? I have to write it. So I write it here. A1 is 7, b1 is minus 6, c1 is 1. Similarly, a2 value is 1, b2 value is minus 2 and c2 value is 1. Okay, using this I have to solve this part. b1 c2, b1 is to the minus 6 into c2 is 1 minus b2 c1 minus 2 into c1 value is 1 whole square. Okay, plus c1 a2, c1 is 1 into a2 is 1 minus c2 a1, c2 is 1 into a1 is 7 whole square plus a1 b2. a1 is 7 into b2 is minus 2 minus 6 into 1 whole square. So I have substituted all these values. So this is equal to minus 6 minus of minus plus 4. Sorry, plus 2. 2 ones are 2. Plus 1 minus 7. Minus 14. 7 2s are minus 14. Minus into minus plus 6 whole square. So this is equal to minus 4 plus minus 6 plus minus 8 whole square. So which is equal to 16 plus 36 plus 64, which is 116 again. So numerator solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದದ 116 divided by root of 116, which is equal to 116. Okay, so the numerator 116, you can write it as root of 116 into root of 116 divided by root of 116. So 116 get cancelled, you will get it as root of 116. So many units. Or you can also write it as 2 root of 29, because 29 fours are 116. So you can write it as 2 root 29 units. Okay, so I'll explain it once again. First thing ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗಿವನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ಈ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. x2 x1 y2 y1 z2 z1 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. All the values you have to note it down from these two equation. This is just like x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ x1 y1 z1 values ಸಿಗ್ತಾ, a1 b1 c1 values. From this side you will get x2 y2 z2. This is a2 b2 c2. So you will get all the values. Substitute in this. First numerator part solve madri. First numerator determinant method use ಮಾಡಿ solve ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. You will get one value. Then denominator you have to solve it. You will get one value. Then divide numerator by the denominator. So that will be what? Cartesian form. Cartesian form ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕೂಡ you can find the distance. 16th and 17th example are also similar way. Please try to solve them. So the complete exercise 11.2 is completed. The whole of notes from 3D I have not given. I'll give it within 2 days. I'll upload the whole notes. Update ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ whole notes 3D. Right from 3D introduction in the hiduda up to 11.2 exercise. Okay, thank you.